How are we enjoying this 100-degree heat? I'm really proud of myself because usually I love seasons, like all seasons for a little bit of the time, and then I'm kind of like on to the next. But this summer I didn't want to be miserable, and I really just wanted to enjoy the heat as much as possible, even though that's really hard to do. But I really am proud of myself for doing that. I've been very much just in the moment, living the summer vibes, just letting the sun beam in. Of course, we have our AC on a lot of the time, but that being said, even when we're out in the backyard, when the kids are in the pool, I just really have been diving into reading and just enjoying the moment. I've been off my phone. Like, I post every day on TikTok, so if you want to follow me on TikTok, it's at OOTD plus coffee. But I literally post and then I'll be off my phone and then I'll check comments later. Like, I've just been very much in the moment with the kids, and I'm really happy about that. Cooking and relaxing and letting the kids play in the pool and in the sprinklers, and just really having those moments of relaxing and having a slow summer. That's mainly what I've been doing, having a slow summer, and I'm really enjoying that and the concept of that and romanticizing that. So hopefully you guys can get those vibes from this video. It's gonna be like a cozy summer vlog. On my list of things to do today, for right now, I'm going to show you guys a book haul. I've been really reading a lot for a slow summer, and it's like my list of things to do for the whole summer. I have like 4 or 5 books on my reading list right now because I am such a fall lover. You guys obviously know this, but I really just want to focus on this moment, July, summertime. So I'm so excited about these books I got at the library. I spent $7 total for like 12 books. I don't know, that's just a rough estimate. I am so happy, and honestly, just like the look of books, the feel of books, the smell of books, decorating my house with books, reading books, all makes me happy. I don't want to say like I'm a crazy reader, because I truly have so many hobbies that it's hard for me to slow down and sit there and read, even though like I used to be a bookworm growing up. But I'm really driving back into that realm of being a little bookworm, and I'm obsessed with it, you know, just like opening a book and reading it, and like I said, smelling, feeling, touching, it makes me so happy. So if you like that, then I hope you enjoy this book haul. It's very random, but yeah, so we're gonna do a book haul right now, and then later we're gonna cut up some watermelon. We got the kids a pool, so we're gonna, you know, spend our time out there reading, and then I have a couple other things on my list for the summer vlog that I wanted to do. So yeah, let's get on into the book haul, you guys. I got this bag one year from Barnes & Nobles. It says so many books in so little time. I love it. I don't know, I think it's very magical and cute, a little tote bag. But yeah, I usually take this grocery shopping. I take this everywhere with me, to be honest. The bookshelf for boys and girls, that's what it's called, like the collection. Look at these covers. Oh my gosh, I'm literally obsessed with just the artwork of them. I'm such a huge vintage lover as well, and these are definitely vintage. Look at how pretty these are. They're in such good condition, and the best part of all, not only are they like just aesthetically pleasing for me, they're actually very useful for children. So this whole book is full of things to make and things to do. Now, when I first opened it, it said like how to make paper flowers. What else does it say? Paper dolls. These are the times where I wish I had a little girl. I have 2 boys, if you don't know. I cry when I see little girl things. How to make paper leaves, paper petals. It also has like ways to feed, like if you have a hamster, goldfish, an aquarium. Just teaches you how to take care of your pets, arranging flowers, how to keep cut flowers fresh. Honestly, a lot of this is for me as well. So it's not just for, like, it has all this information on cooking. I definitely just want to do like aesthetic layout pictures with these and stuff like that. When I buy things, I like to use things for different uses, and I'm so obsessed. So we're gonna power through all these books just so I can show you the covers or my thoughts on them. But you'll see the layout of how all of them look, because I am so obsessed. One thing I'm working on is really just explaining things, and like I said, I live like a slow lifestyle as like a homemaker and a mom and stuff, so I'm trying to really slow down when it comes to like vlogging, and I feel like I try to make my vlogs entertaining because I feel like that's what people want, but also I love when people are very just like talkative. I don't know how to explain it, so I'm really working on that, but yeah. Yeah, I don't know if that makes sense. So this one's about nature and science. It's one of my favorite book covers. It has like little deer. And then this one's a little lifeboat, Happy Hours in Storyland. One of my favorites because it just has like a bunch of stories. And then this one is about great events and famous people. This one, another one of my favorite covers, and this one's nursery favorites, and old and new, and it just has like a bunch of nursery rhymes, which is amazing. Last but not least, this one's about art and music, so it just teaches you about art and music and all that, and I think that's really cool. I'm obsessed, literally obsessed. Okay, on to the next. In the beginning, you guys saw that I had this book in my hand. This is the book I'm currently reading. The first chapter book I got, this one was $1 because it is a hardcover. This one's Writers and Lovers by Lily King. I got like 4 chapter books and they're all on my list to read for July. This is by the author of Euphoria. I love the cover. I feel like it's just perfect for summer, aesthetically pleasing to look at. This one, I did go, when before I purchased all the books, I did go on like TikTok or Amazon to see the reviews just because I'm curious, is it a good book? Is it really bad? I like to be very like purposeful when I purchase things. So this one got a lot of mixed reviews. I couldn't help it though. I loved the cover of it and stuff, so I was like very interested in it, and I wanted to, you know, when it comes to reading, I feel like you have to find, because there's like books I've read that people gave 5 stars on TikTok and I didn't agree with that. So you definitely just have to read it and like find out yourself. But this one got a lot of mixed reviews. Some people said they loved it, some people said they couldn't stand the writing of it. So I will let you guys know at the end of this video. I'm sure I'll be done with it by then because I'm on page 207, and I will be taking this outside to finish up. So I will let you guys know my thoughts on this at the end of this video. Here are the other 3 books that I purchased for my summer reading list. So it's quite an assortment. This one is the first one I picked up, and this one was 50 cents, I believe. My Name is Memory. A lot of people said they loved this on TikTok. So this is by Anne Brashares. And this isn't my favorite cover, just because it's not really my, I don't know, it's just not my favorite cover, but a lot of people said they loved it, and I feel like it's gonna be a good read, to be honest. So I picked up this one. I also got Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine by Gail Honeyman. A lot of people had mixed reviews on this as well. They either loved it or hated it, but on, I think it was Amazon, yeah, I think I read Amazon reviews. Some people said that it gave them like, the way the character, this woman is, it gave him like secondhand embarrassment, the way she like talked or presented herself. And then someone said in the comments that it gave him like the Office vibes, like the way she acts. So I am a huge Office lover, and I think that was intriguing. So I definitely wanted to read this and see my own thoughts and opinions on it. And then this, last but not least, The Affair. A lot of people said they loved this. It's probably an older book, just like the other ones. It's more of like a vintage, like there's like a jewelry box and a ring, and it says Can't Stop Thinking of You. People said it was very spicy, and I love a spicy book or movie, whatever. So yeah, I mean, I feel like this is gonna be an easy, good, funny, not funny, but like good, fun read, you know? I have a couple of random things. I know this is a summer video, but I definitely just wanted to share what I found for Christmas and for fall. So I found this for my kids' spooky basket. This is The Simpsons Treehouse of Horror DVD. This was like $1, and it was at the library, but this is my kids' favorite episode. My kids are spooky Halloween lovers, just like me and their dad. Plus my significant other, their dad, he loves The Simpsons, like he grew up watching it, so it's just nostalgic. And I don't know, this was like a no-brainer to pick up for their spooky basket. So yeah, I don't know, even like just looking at it, it looks fun, you know? I'm really into like purchasing DVDs for the holidays, even though like sometimes they put the stuff on TV. I like to have stuff like this in the bins, you know, for the kids and for myself, to be honest. Now the next 2 are actually gifts for my mom and my sister. So yeah, anytime I could thrift a gift for someone who doesn't mind like having like a thrifted gift or something like that, then I definitely pick up things that I could find. So this one is the Sex and the City like coffee table book. My mom is the reason why I am the way I am. I feel like we have the same type of vibes and aesthetics, and she loves to thrift like me. She loves books, she loves children's storybooks, and we're like the same in that way. So yeah, she loves coffee books as well. That's one thing I don't really purchase, but she loves coffee books. And this one, I grew up with her like folding laundry, watching Sex and the City. So when I seen this, it's in great condition. It's basically just pictures of Sex and the City and like filming and stuff like that. So I picked up this for $1, and I know she'll love it. And then for my little sister, she loves comics, and this one has like the cutest little mushroom guy. And it's like brand new. It's such a good book, and it's literally like a comic book. So I purchased this for her Christmas present, and I'm like obsessed with the little mushroom guy in here. He's so cute. Let me see if I can find him. There's also a lot of creatures in here. I'm very interested to read this myself, to be honest. I think she'll love it. Here he is. So yeah, that's for my sister. I'm so happy that it came out perfectly. I decided to put in a cake pan. I definitely need to get like a bread loaf pan. I made this recipe from TikTok. It's basically 3 ripened bananas, baking soda, flour, a whole bunch of things. But I'm so happy that I'm starting to make things from scratch. And last time it was delicious. I'll insert a picture of what that looked like. Okay, enough with that. I wanted to show you guys a little summer dress haul, because obviously summer times where you can pop out those magical, beautiful dresses, and they're super easy. Throw on some sandals, a dress, get their hair up or down. I've always wanted to try their clothing. A lot of their clothes I actually would love and want to like they have like so many things. I never ordered from them, but they sent me some clothes or dresses, and I'm so excited about them. So I finally got a lemon dress, you guys. This is my favorite type of cut, this style. It has like the square neckline. It's ties right here. It is so pretty. It's like my favorite type of dress. It has a slit right here. The next item I got was this white little fairy secret, it's called like Secret Garden something corset, and this is very much like so beautiful, and I definitely need to find a place to wear it. I mean, I'll wear this to the grocery store, but that being said, it is very much like a statement, or if I went to a Renaissance fair, I feel like this would be perfect. Like cottage core, fairy core, grandma core, romanticism. Either love it or hate it. I definitely love it. I love this. When I tried it on, this was so breathable and comfortable. This is very comfortable too, but this was so breathable and comfortable, and I love it. I love it. You can tighten up the little strings right here to make it really tight or open, and you can adjust the straps as well. I think it's really pretty. It's like a statement piece. I wish I could go to like a Renaissance fair and wear this. Guys, I'm gonna enjoy this little bit of being inside. I'm going to eat some banana bread with the kids and prepare myself to go outside because they're gonna go swimming right now, and I'm gonna read my book. And even though I'm sleepy, I'm still having a really nice day, you guys. It's just it's just the realistic lifestyle of a stay-at-home mom. I've been up since like 7 a.m. and it's hot, the day is lingering, but I'm still having like the perfect cozy slow summer, and I feel like that's part of like enjoying the days in summer. Like just every bit of the day you're like being attentive, and right now, even though I'm like sleepy, like I have banana bread and just the AC's on and still feeling blessed, if that makes sense.